Today on Cooking with Cast Iron, let's make jalapeno sausage balls. Let's get started. We're going to start with 2 cups of Bisquick and a 1/4 cup of milk, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, and a teaspoon of smoked paprika. And we're going to mix that all together. Two cups of cheddar cheese, 1 jalapeno, 1 pound of zesty breakfast sausage, and we're going to mix that all up. We're going to lightly oil our cast iron. Now we're going to make our little meatballs about 1 inch in size. Now that we have the sausage balls made, we're going to go put it on the Pitboss. With our Pitboss up to 350, we're going to add it to the middle shelf for about 20 to 25 minutes, and we'll check them about halfway through. It's about been 10 minutes. We're going to take them and roll them over. I rotated them and we're going to put them on for another 10 minutes. It's been about 20-25 minutes. We're going to take them off and serve them up. Let's pull one apart and taste it. That's pretty good.